Hey, so I'm going to do a review on the retractable fan. Probably many of you have it, many of you intend to get it. And this actually comes in two versions. One is the Hunter's Fan Away, and this is the second, which seems to be the Chinese version of it. Pretty similar. These are the models, and I'm actually going to go through just basic functionality of this, nothing more. This kind of sets up quite nicely. Very few holes to be driven through the roof, and it's quite lightweight. The light is amazing. In terms of a light, this really exceeds quality. Now, for the fan options, you actually have a low, medium, and high. I'm going to set this to high right now because, well, that's what I intended this for. So I've kind of looked up, and there's very minimum documentation on the RPM of these fans. Now they have two sizes, or rather they have quite a few sizes, but the main sizes is 36 and 52, if I'm not mistaken. And this was a 52. Now it's on high, okay? And I'm just gonna take paper, which is just this, okay? I'm just going to sprinkle it here on this table. And that's it. So this is a fan on high. I'm just going to try and step back here as far as possible. Oops. Okay, I went bumping into everything. This is a fan on high, and the paper's not moved. It's right there. It's barely 7-8 feet above the fan. Sorry, below the fan. And yeah, there's just a little bit of shakes and shimmers, but for a fan, you definitely want breeze. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a slow-mo video of this later against a timer, so you'll actually see what the actual RPM of this is. And so as far as a light's concerned, this definitely makes an awesome light, but a fan, not so much. There it is.